Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can use Calendly website for managing your meeting schedules on a daily basis or weekly or monthly basis. So it's going to give you a reminder and provide you each and every details. Okay, so let's start. So I will go for the Calendly website. We are just going to need to create an account here. So I will go for here, sign up for free. Here I will create my account using my Google account because it's also going to use my calendar that is connected with my same Google account. So I will continue with the Google button in order to create an account over the Calendly website. Okay, so I will select my account and then I will give it permission and click it continue. So that's how I will create my account. I will also give an access to my calendar and click continue button, and that's how our account will be created, and it will also get an access to our calendar so that it can schedule our meeting. We just need to put the details of our meeting. So I'm going to put this some random details here, schedule meeting and next. Okay, and let's pause the meeting for the sales. Click continue next button, and here I have given the access to my Google Calendar. As you can see, it's connected, so I will click next. Here you can add the date and time, whatever you want to use for the meetings. You can select the start time and end time, or the duration during which, or the window during which you are available for the meeting. Here you can also remove, or you can also add another interval for the Monday. Okay, so here you can also select the time zone. Okay, and then you can just simply click on the next button. Here you can specify how you want to do a call or the meeting. So I'm going to select this in person, and I'm going to select location. Let's pause. I am writing it as Illinois. So I will just select continue button, and so we have finally completed 5 of 5 steps for scheduling our meeting. We have given our all of the information of the meetings to this website. So now it will keep on checking us, and it will keep us reminding us about our meetings. So it's just taking loading. So as you can see, after doing these settings, you will get this kind of interface, and you can see that we have set a meeting of 30 minutes in-person meeting. So I will just click on this to expand the details. Here you will get all the details. So the duration of the meeting is going to be 30 minutes, and the location is Illinois, which is in the US. Okay. So these are the weekly hours that I have already mentioned at the Eastern time that I have specified. So this is the, you will get your notification during the this meeting. So if you want to remove this meeting, you can just simply click on 3 dots and click on delete button. In this way you can also remove your scheduled meeting as well. So that's how Calendly works. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.